What's up this morning? What's up this morning, my YouTube people? What's up? This Jake Locksmith service in Florida. I'm dealing with this Carprog this morning, Monday morning, May 24th, 2021, 12:30 a.m. I'm trying to I'm trying to see, can I get it to read. I need y'all help to let me know if I'm doing this here right. I need to know if I got this here hooked up right. I'm using Carprog 4.0. I've been had this since 2012. As you can see right there, 2012 Carprog. 2012. I'm trying to see how to hook it up. So I'm finna click on it. I'm finna click on it. Immobilize, sir. BMW. Okay. EWS3 Avenue A11. There go A11 there. I don't know if it is strong enough or what. And I need y'all to let me know, do I have to be online? Do I have to be on the internet? Or do this software work without the internet? But see, I got it hooked up. It's hooked up. And see, it say put it right there where I got that black dot. See that black mark right there? I'm thinking that's where it's supposed to go, right there. I need y'all help. Help me, please. Help me, please. So I'm go right here. Click. Click. Then it say read. That's what I get right there. I get that every time. Every time. So I need help. I need help. Why is I'm getting this? Do I need to have this on the internet, or is this software? This software is supposed to work without the internet. Everything should be inside of here. Is I'm hooked up over there right? Y'all let me know if I'm hooked up over there right. And see, there go to Erden right there. See, I'm right on it. Right there. Y'all let me know if I'm right. Please. I'm finna try again. What's going on? It's not eating nothing. See there? See what keep popping up? That they'll keep popping up. I got a problem with that. Peace out.